Hi, welcome to my braiding technique. This is a basic braid today. If you love it, subscribe to our YouTube channel so I can bring you more content. Here we go. So first of all, take a triangle section. So just with your comb or your fingers, or both, you can actually take this little section and have it as a triangle. If you keep it in a triangle, it keeps your tension as you get up to the crown and down to the nape a little bit better. So I always try and keep in my head a triangle section. Separate it and take 3 strands. And you basically just start a normal braid, a normal plait. Then from the side, you actually take a section, and this gets combed and then folded into the middle. So you've always got 3 sections, and then fold that over. Take your section, keep it firm, comb it out, and it goes into the center. I'm always keeping 3 strands. And again, take your section. You need to comb it out. This one's from Lorna Evans. I love this comb, it's awesome. And then it goes straight into the center and over the top. And again, it does get a bit repetitive, but it just looks really pretty. Straight into the center and twist. So just keep following that motion all the way down the center, all the way to the bottom, keeping your sections neat and tiny. Once you get to the end, tie it off with a little snappy or hair tie. Then you can dress it up any way you want. You can have it just normal, or you can pancake it out a little bit. And as I've done, we pancake this out and turn it into a little bit of a bun and decorated it with some little flowers that I got from Lincraft. So you can dress them up any way you want. You can utilize braids to do all sorts of different techniques, and later on I will show you how to incorporate braiding into a beautiful upstyling, but that's a different one. So subscribe if you really enjoy these, and I can bring you more content. So there we go. So I'm dressing this up with a few little flowers just to make it look a little bit prettier after I've pinned that up with just one bobby pin. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I can bring you more upstyling and braiding.